Well, hello everyone. Welcome to a day in my life. So, I'm kind of starting this vlog a little late in my day. It's like 1. To be honest, I wasn't sure if I was gonna do this today. This video is not gonna go up until we're going on a trip very soon in a few days, and it probably won't go up until after. I'm kind of pre-filming some. So, when you're watching this, welcome to the past. Although I'm realizing the same could be said about literally every video on YouTube, unless it's live. Anyway, I'm making some soup for myself. Gigi's actually at my mother-in-law's house today, which is nice. We're getting a lot of work done. Like I said, pre-filming a lot. So I'm just gonna take you along in my day. So let's go eat some soup. It's like a chicken, sausage, and rice soup. I mean, I didn't make it. It's from a can, you guys. Come on, Campbell's. Not the healthiest thing, but there's certainly worse things. I'm just like hungry, and I just filmed 3 videos. So I'm like, I am shaky. I need to eat something. So I'm really excited. This smells amazing. Also, side note, these pans are from this brand called Analon. They sent them to us long ago, like a set, and we use them all of the time. They're so easy because they're non-stick, and so we don't use like metal utensils with them usually, so it doesn't like scratch the non-stick, but we really like them, and I like this one because it has pour spouts on both sides, so as I pour it into my bowl, it's not gonna splash everywhere necessarily. Also, to the sweet subscriber that made these and sent them to us, we love them. They're like little bowl koozies. So when the bowl is hot, you can kind of hold it in there. It is so cute. We love them. Also, we're currently watching my parents' dog, Simba. Simba. And he is a pug and he is a goofball. And then there's Pinocchio, who has rolled in something. And I know that when he comes in, he's gonna stink and it's gonna be awful. We don't know. We keep like looking at what he's rolling in. We can't see what it is. Does anyone know? Like, what is that? Simba, what do you think? You're so ridiculous. You're soaking in the sun. So I'm eating my lunch. Tyler already ate. He's about to go on a run, right? Soon. But he and I are answering some tax questions for our accountant, and it's so fun. Taxes. They're important, and I get it, but so fun. It's so fun. I will say, it has taken us until about this year to finally like have our stuff together. Like we have to make estimated payments, and our accountant has helped us so much. So I'm currently sitting and editing my desk tour. Again, this is in the future, so if you're watching this now, it's already up. It's been up a while. Linked below. But I'm just finishing editing it, and I loved showing like what is on my desk. It's one of those weird videos that like I've always wanted to do, and like years ago I used to watch like desk tours, office tours, and I'm like, oh, those are so cute, but like to me it never made sense to have an office at home. But now that I do work from home, it's like I'm excited to be able to share all these cute little things I found, and like where you can get them yourself if you want to. And I don't know, it's like fulfilling a life goal in the dumbest of ways. I also have these boys snoring. Look at Pinocchio. He wants to escape. So Tyler left on his run, and we've learned, I went on a 4-mile run yesterday, and he's going on an 8-mile one. I'm like, okay, fine, you win. Anyway, he's actually training for the mini marathon or the half marathon. I am just running because I'm trying to lose baby weight. Mostly Pinocchio, but Simba too, when we leave for a run, if they see us through any window, they cry the entire time we're gone. It's awful. But if they don't see you leave, they don't know. So I had to like trap them in here with me, and I had my bowl of soup, and I'm like hitting the side of the bowl like, come on boys, treats, dinner bell, trying to get them into the room so Tyler could leave. And I guess I can let them go free now, but I just thought that was funny. I'm sure I'm not the only one that has we have to do very specific things to avoid certain meltdowns, whether it be from a kid, baby, or dog. Or cat. Do cats really have meltdowns? I feel like cats don't care. Cats are like, please leave. I don't even want you here. So I thought it might be fun to show you what I do when we have old coffee. So like my coffee from earlier is now cold. So I'm kind of embracing the cold now that the weather is not super insanely freezing out. And I just have some ice in this cup, and I'm pouring some coffee from earlier that's also cold. It's a long story why we have this much coffee that went to waste. It involves us forgetting that we made a pot, because we also like use our Keurig. We're just morons. And then I just like to add whatever creamer I like, and then I just stir it. And it's just a great way to use old coffee. Like, I mean, you know, a day old even is fine. But I usually drink my coffee black. And so this is a fun way for me to have a little bit of creamer throughout my day. I actually like black coffee, but I do enjoy creamer. So it's just nice and refreshing, and it's still caffeinated, which is great. And if you are someone that you feel like your coffee always gets cold, at a certain point you've microwaved it too much and you're like, okay, I need to move on. So yeah, I got these cups. I've had these forever now. I got them at Target in like a 3-pack for like $8 or something. Really, it was an awesome deal, and they're dishwasher safe. We've thrown them in the dishwasher. They are fantastic. So I am currently snacking. I'm one of those people that I have to at some point in the day have something crunchy and salty. So because of this desperate need for me, I really like these. They're not like the craziest, most healthy thing ever, but they are way healthier than potato chips. So I like that there's only a handful of ingredients. You know what I mean? Like, it's not an insanely long thing. So that is very nice. And I actually like the taste of them a lot. I know Benita, Tyler's mom, I think she ended up buying some too because she tried them here and she liked them too. So we have all of our mugs out because we take them out, we store them in a tote, and we take them out every season and go through them and pick out like 6 each, and we end up with 12, and we actually put them in our cabinet over there. So don't mind our barge of stuff over there. It's to keep Simba in the kitchen when we leave the house. We have to separate the 2 dogs. We just recently took them all out of their tote and we went through them and picked some out. So I was showing some of this on Instagram, but a lot of you guys asked for me to show the actual collection. So I figured I would kind of pinpoint some of my favorites. So we have a lot from Disney. We go to Disney World all the time. Like this one has like all of the lands. This one from Hey Arnold is a personal fave of mine. Oh my gosh. I loved Hey Arnold growing up, like favorite show ever. And you know what? I've realized, I think I like the show Bob's Burgers because it reminds me a lot of Hey Arnold in that they're like in a little city-ish town. I can't explain it, but anyway. So if you liked Hey Arnold, you might like Bob's Burgers, just saying. I have this Princess Jasmine one. A lot of you guys have sent us really cute mugs over the years. This one, and I love this. This one we recently got in Disney, and it's so cute. One of you guys sent this one. It is what it is, because I say that a lot, and that made me laugh. This one we recently got. It says, live like Rose, dress like Blanche, think like Dorothy, speak like Sophia, the Golden Girls. Tyler about died when he opened that one. He loves that one. This is one I made for us. We'd been dating like 2 years. And you could make these on like Disney's site. I don't know if you still can. They were like the PhotoPass photos, so I put them onto a mug. Oh my gosh, I love it. Some of these are from IKEA. Let's see. Oh, my chip mug I got in Disney. I think they still sell this. It's so cute. Some cruise line ones. I bought this one. I don't think I actually bought this in Paris. I think I bought it at TJ Maxx, but it makes me think of Paris. My parents got us this one of Gigi. A lot of you guys asked about it. This one has like all of the castles on it, or a lot of them anyway, and they still sell this one in Disney. So keep your eyes peeled for that if you go. We have some from like Tyler, I think this is from Tyler's childhood. It's like Buzz Lightyear and it's all faded. Isn't that amazing? From New Orleans, Cafe du Monde. I just got this one, Haunted Mansion one, but I'm finally gonna put it away for next Halloween. A lot, if you have a Big Lots near you, they have like cute ones with Mickey on them. We've had that one for a few years. This one, me and my best friend Sarah have. This one that says Mom with my name, and the one that says Tyler Wheat. Those are like 2 of our absolute favorites. I love that one. Let's see, some Jiminy Cricket, one of our favorite Disney podcasts, Resort Loop. If you love Disney, you would love their podcast. You should definitely listen to it. They're very, very likable guys, and we've met them in person, and they are lovely. The college I went to in the end for my teaching degree, my in-laws' company, Fun Time Campers. Yeah, so I just figured that was fun, but we love collecting mugs. You guys want to see the ones we're keeping out for now. So we've got a Ratatouille one, an Aulani one that someone sent, a cruise line one, just some bright, happy ones I wanted out for spring. My It's a Small World one. Oh, I just love them. I love mugs so much. Anyone else totally obsessed? Because no shame. So I need to make some dinner tonight, but I'm going to go pick up Gigi here in about 10 minutes. And then once I get home with her, I will be making some dinner. I need to get these mugs put away too, and I need to do those dishes. It all stacks up. So I'm definitely gonna be going with a quick meal tonight because I'm already getting hungry, and by the time I get back with her, both Tyler and I will be starving. Tyler's really gonna be hungry because he just went on that run.
Are you playing, Gigi?
Who's back home?
Hi.
We have a girl that is teething hard. She has 4 back teeth coming in, and it is awful.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Gigi. She's learning to, well, of course, she's not showing it, but she's finally learning to set toys down instead of just drop them, although right now she's only dropping them.
And also she's kind of dancing too.
Yeah, she's
like starting to bounce to the music. She's very cute.
My oldest brother, Don, her uncle Don bought her this toy for her baby shower. Her baby shower, you know what I mean. Very exciting stuff.
Gigi.
Now you're just throwing it at mommy. Stack. No sooner did we film that part where she was playing, did we try to feed her some dinner and she just lost it. That is the reality of having a baby that is teething. It is just like... On a brighter note, I'm gonna make dinner. Tyler's got her upstairs. I think he's gonna try to put her down because I think it's just time for bed. So for dinner tonight, I'm gonna do a HelloFresh meal. This portion of the video is sponsored by HelloFresh. So thank you, HelloFresh, for sponsoring me. I'm working with them all year long, and I'm really excited about that because this is something that I actually use. We actually really love, and a lot of our friends and family have started using it as well because we've just shared it with them and we love it so much. So the dinner I think I'm gonna make tonight is this amazing apricot chicken with fingerling potatoes and green beans. This one says the prep time's only 10 minutes. And so the total cook time is 35, like with prep and like cooking it. So if you don't know about HelloFresh, it is a meal delivery service where you get fresh meals delivered to your door for the week. And I love it because not only are a lot of the meals quicker to make, a lot of them are under 30 minutes, but you get the exact ingredients you need in the right amounts that you need so there's no waste. So you can choose between the classic, the veggie, and the family options. We choose the classic options because it's just the two of us. And I really love the recipe cards because they're really easy to follow and they even have pictures to go along with each step, which really helps. Honestly, Tyler and I really love to cook, both of us do, but the reality of our lives is with a baby and a growing family that it's really hard to find all of the time you wish you could devote to cooking. So this saves us a lot of time throughout the week. It's good, fresh meals. So HelloFresh is now from $6.99 per serving, so you can get the most meal for your money. Basically, you'll get 8 free meals, which is 2 free meals in your first 4 boxes by going to HelloFresh.com and using my code JessicaBraun80 for a total of $80 off. So these potatoes and green beans are smelling amazing. The chicken, oh my gosh. I am so excited to try this meal. It looks so, so good. All right, so this sauce looks amazing. It's like a sweet sauce. What was it? It's like a jelly kind of marmalade mixed with like chicken stock and water and I don't even remember what else. It was not very much. Oh, balsamic vinegar, and it is good. Side note, let's keep this recipe card because I would make this again. And then the potatoes, I've already eaten one of them. While the chicken was finishing, I was like, yeah, they are really good. And the green beans are great too. So all a win. Awesome. And it was so fast. It was like 20 minutes. You got her a bath and down for a bed. I almost said a nap, but got her down for bed and I was cooking dinner and like 20 minutes later, here we are. So we're trying to decide what to watch and it's between, let's just rewatch The Greatest Showman.
I know, you always...
I love that. I liked that movie Tag too though. That was funny.
Yeah. But like Jurassic World, that's the new one. Deadpool 2 is funny.
So we were looking at The Shape of Water and...
We've still never seen that. That's crazy.
I know. And 3 billboards outside of...
Ebbing, Missouri.
Ebbing, Missouri. I'm leaning towards that because I feel like watching something with real people. Ooh, bring it on! Ooh! So we decided on... I have to read the title. 3 billboards outside Ebbing, Missouri. So we are halfway through the movie. I've already cried twice. There's some dark stuff in it. But we're going to have a little bit of Halo Top. This is the peanut butter cup one. And this one, actually, this is Enlightened. I've never tried this one. Brownies and cookie dough. The entire thing is 400 calories. So, like, if you had a third of it, obviously, you know, or a fourth, I guess, is how they're doing this. But these are definitely not ice cream. But you know what, you guys? If you are, like, craving that taste, it's so much less than regular ice cream. So it's something that we're doing, especially me as I'm trying to lose the baby weight. So, but of course I'm saying that and I'm gonna warm up one of my homemade brownies I made. We just freeze them so that we don't feel the need to like eat them all within a week. But then I like to warm it up in the microwave just a piece and stick just a little bit of ice cream on top and it's so, so yummy. This is just like boxed brownie mix, but if you add like a scoop of peanut butter, I learned this from my niece and nephew. If you add a scoop of peanut butter to the brownie mix, it makes it really, really good. Yeah, so that is what we're gonna do as we watch the last half. Tyler is putting what? Magic Show.
Magic Show. It's so good.
It is good. I don't love it though.
I think it was like such a special thing to me growing up that it's really more nostalgia than anything. Because when I eat it, I'm like, oh, it's good, but it's not like great. But
it's like
I gotta have it.
But for me, whipped cream all the way. Oh yeah. Oh, now it's really not healthy. Darn it. Well, I'm going on a run tomorrow. And I went on a run yesterday. Okay. If you hear a haunting melody, it is my daughter's lullaby playing through our baby monitor. A couple empties if you were just curious. So I just finished this OGX Fiber Full Dry Shampoo. It was not bad. It's not a favorite, like I'm not gonna rebuy it, but it wasn't bad at all. I feel like I like the Living Proof Dry Shampoo better than this. It just makes my hair like literally feel like it just got cleaned, whereas this is like, it's still good, not great. And then I also finished this Bumble and Bumble Thickening Dry Spun Finish. This is a weird spray that's kind of like it's almost like you spray it into your hair and it like creates this like wind vortex in your hair, and it kind of adds like that grit to your hair. I just said hair way too many times. But like if you like to put your hair in a messy bun, but you need it to like kind of stay in place a little bit, this is a great product for that. But again, it's expensive. I think the original one I ever tried, I got in PR, and then I bought another one when it was like a Sephora 20% off sale. So I could see myself buying that again because I actually did like that a lot. And it's still cheaper than the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. That stuff is really good, very similar, and it's like $45 or something crazy. So at least the Bumble and Bumble one is cheaper than that one, but they're still expensive. So figured that might be interesting. To sign off, it's about, let's see, now that our clock, we have like an actual battery in it. If you ever watch my check-ins, I'm usually in here at the end of the night, and the clock is never actually set, and it's finally set. Tyler put batteries in it. It is a little after 10:30, and I'm gonna wash my face. We are gonna go to bed. But thank you guys for tagging along. I hope you enjoyed. I like doing these day in the life videos every once in a while. We do vlog on Tyler's channel, especially when we travel, but we do like daily life vlogs too. So I hope you'll go check our channel out over there and subscribe. And other than that, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.